Hi guys, let's start the mm, mm, maybe fourth part of the lesson one of seventh standard. Okay, we stopped in the earlier video at properties of division. Let's see properties of division now. Can you find the value when minus 5 is divided by 3? Yes, the value is not an integer. Okay, clearly the collection of integers is not closed under division, right? Test it by taking 5 more examples. To test the commutative property of division on integers, let us take minus 5 and 3. So minus 5 by 3 is not equal to 3 by minus 5. So this is not commutative also. Therefore, division of integers are not commutative. Verify the statement with 5 more examples. Since the commutative property is not true, associated property does not hold. Okay. Let us take integers minus 7 and 1. Minus 7 by 1 is minus 7. 1 by minus 7 is minus 7, right? No, it's not equal to minus 7. Okay, let us take minus 6 by minus 1 and 6 by minus 1. Minus 6 by minus 1 is 6. 6 by minus 1 is minus 6. Therefore, when we divide an integer by minus 1, we will not get the same integer. Hence, there does not exist an identity for division of integers. Okay, take any 5 integers and verify the same. An integer divided by 0 is meaningless, but 0 divided by non-zero integer is 0. Okay, fill in the blanks of minus 40 divided by what is 40 minus 1. Okay, 25 by what is minus 5. 25 by minus 5 is minus 5. Okay, now no. Now let's place the value. Okay, minus 36. Minus 36 divided by minus 4 is 9. Fine. And this one is 1. Okay, say true or false. This is false. Okay, and this one is also false. Find the values of the following. This is minus 25, this is 5, this is minus 5, and this is minus 1. The product of two integers is minus 135. One of the number is minus 15. Find the other integer. Okay, mm, yes, 5 3 ja, 5 2 ja, 5 2 ja 10, 7. Okay, 9. Answer is 9. Okay, this is the answer. In 8 hours duration, with uniform decrease in temperature, the temperature dropped 24 degrees. How many degrees did the temperature drop each hour? 3 degrees, right? Let's write 3 here. Okay, degrees, right? Yes, 3 degrees. An elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 5 meters per minute. If the descent starts from 15 meters above the ground level, how long will it take to reach minus 250 meter? Okay, from zero level it will take 50, right? 50 minutes. So to get it from 15 meter to 0, it will again take 3 minutes. Okay, so total is 53 minute. 53. Oh, sorry, 53. Okay, right. A person lost 4,800 calories in 30 days. If the calorie loss is uniform, calculate the loss of calorie per day. 4,800 by 30, nothing but mm, 160. Okay, 160 calories. Given is this, find this by this. 168. Okay, 168. How many dash are there in minus 20? How many what dash? Let us skip this question. Value is missing here. Minus 400 divided into 10 equal parts gives minus 40. Right, right. Which of the following does not represent an integer? This is 0. This is minus 5. This is 3. And this does not represent an integer. 12 by 5 will give you a fraction. Okay. This is same as yeah, this. Okay. Minus 200 by 10. Minus 20. The set of integers not closed under division. One of the earliest expositions on negative numbers is by the 7th century Indian mathematician and astronomer Brahmagupta, who in his famous test Brahma Sputha Suddhanta, okay, gave a very clear understanding of the concept of zero and consequently the negative numbers. His texts were in the form of poetry, which, when translated, reads something like this: Rule for dealing with positive and negative numbers. Okay, negative means debt, positive means fortune. A debt minus 0 is a debt. Okay, a fortune minus 0 is a fortune. 0 minus 0 is 0. A debt subtracted from 0 is fortune. Okay, a fortune subtracted from 0 is debt. The product of 0 by a debt or fortune is 0. The product of 0 by 0 is 0. The product of quotient of two fortunes is one fortune. The product of quotients of a debt and a fortune is a debt. The product of quotient of a fortune and a debt is a debt. Okay. The statement problems and integers using all fundamental operations. We have learned how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide integers. This section will review the rules learned for operations with integers and mathematical problems and life-oriented problems. Okay. If a person's initial balance is 530 rupees in a particular month, in the same month, if he deposits 230, withdraws 150, again a withdrawal of 200 and deposit of 99. How will you find the answer for this? Add the sum, deposits 230, 99. How much? 329. Withdrawals 350. Okay. 350 minus 329 is how much? Right, 21. Right. So now withdrawal is more, right? So subtract 21 from the balance, that is 509. Okay. If a person buys 8 pens for 80 rupees and he sells 4 pens with a profit of 3 rupees per pen and 3 pens with a loss of 2 rupees per pen and 1 pen at the buying cost, find the total loss or profit of him. The person buys 8 pens for 80 rupees and he sells 4 pens with a profit of 3 rupees per pen. Okay. 1 pen cost is 10 rupees, right? He sells 4 pens with a profit of 3 rupees. That means 4 into 13. At 13 rupees is sold that pens, right? So 4 into 13 is 52. No, 42. Right? And 3 pens with a loss of 2 rupees per pen. Okay, that means 8 rupees. 24. Okay. 24 plus 42. 24 plus 42. 66. Okay. And 1 pen at buying cost. That means 10. 76. Okay. Total loss is 4 rupees. 80 minus 76 gives you 4 rupees. Okay. 13 fours is, sorry, 52, that is not 42, 52. So total is 84. Total profit is 4 rupees. Now the now it is profit, not loss. Okay, because we made a mistake here. 13 fours, not 42, 52. Okay. Firoz Khan collects 1150 at the rate of 25 per head from his classmates on account of the flag day in his school and returns 8 rupees to each one of them. He was instructed by his teacher. Find the amount handed over by him to his teacher. 25 minus 8. How much? 17? Yes. 17 into 1150. Let's see like this. Total amount collected is 1150. Amount per head is 25. So number of students is 46. Amount returned to each student is 8 rupees, right? So 46 into 8 is 368. Amount handed over to the class teacher is, you have to subtract 368 from 1150. You will get 782. That is the answer. Okay. Each day the workers drill down 22 feet under until they hit a pool of water. If the water is at 110 feet, on which day will they hit the pool of water? 110 by 22, that gives the answer, that is 5 days. Okay. How many years are between 323 BC and 1687 AD? Okay. 6087 plus 323, because BC is below 0, right? So total 2010. Fine. So there are so many problems here. Okay. You do the exercise on your own. Okay. And miscellaneous problems, practice problems, that also you can do. Okay. Match the statements in column A and column B. That I can help you with. For any two integers 72 and 108, 72 plus 108 is also an integer, right? This is what property? Closed under addition. Okay. Let's match like this. E U A E E. Yes. Okay. For any integers 68, 25 and 99, 68 into 25, this is a distributive property of multiplication over addition. Okay. So like this, 0 plus 1, then 130 minus, this is additive identity. 0 is an additive identity. For any two integers minus 5 and 10, minus 5 into 10 is 10 into minus 5. This is commutative property under multiplication. Okay, like this, and this is multiplicative identity. That is what we are left with, right? Challenge problems. Say true or false. The sum of positive integer and negative integer is always positive integer. No, false. The sum of two integers can never be 0. Can be 0. Okay, that is also false. The product of two negative integers is a positive integer. This is true. The quotient of two integers having opposite sign is a negative integer. No, false. The smallest negative integer is minus 1. That is also false. Integer divided by 7 gives result minus 3. What is that integer? Minus 21. Replace the question mark with suitable integer in the equation. 72 minus 5. This is minus 5 only. Okay. Can you give 10 pairs of single digit integer whose sum is 0? Yeah, you can do that. Like 5 plus 5, 6 plus 4. If p is minus 15, q is 15, find p minus q by p plus q. This also you can do. The problems are not that much difficult, so you do it on yourself. Okay, let's look at the summary quickly. Integers are collection of natural number zeros and negative numbers. The number of line gives a visual representation of the set of all integers with number line, not number of line, with positive integers to the right of 0 and negative integers to the left of 0. The sum of two positive integers is positive, two negative integers is negative. The sum of a positive and negative integer is the difference of the two numbers and the value has the sign of greater integer. Okay, you understood it? When you are adding positive integer and negative integer, uh, you'll you will get the difference of the two numbers as a value, and the sign is of greater integer. Okay, positive integer is greater, then the sign will be positive. If the negative integer of greater value, the sign will be negative. The addition of integers has a closure commutative associative property. The product of two integers and two negative integers are positive, two positive integers and two negative integers. The product of two integers with opposite signs is negative. The multiplication of integers has closer commutative associative properties. The integer 0 has additive identity for integers. The integer 1 is the multiplier identity for integers. Okay, that's it, guys. Nandri, vanakkam. Okay.